Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, backup. Here you have to enable this feature, backup to Google Drive, and then you have to add your Google account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add account. You have to enter your email or phone number here. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Here you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, you have to tap accept here. And after that your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.